There we go.
We good?
Go.
We're on. Hey everybody, welcome back to the 5 channel. We got my dad Tobin here, me Easton, and today we're just gonna give you all a quick update video about what's going on around our homestead. So let's get into the video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification button so you never miss when we do a live stream, premiere, or a update video. So let's get into the video.
Let's go. So guys, we haven't been putting out as many videos as we'd hoped here lately. We've been doing a ton of projects. We have a ton that we're doing in the middle of and a ton coming up. I was hoping to get some of those videoed, but just haven't done it. So I was just going to give y'all a quick update on what's going on. First, garden back here behind me, we got it fenced. We did that this weekend. We put welded wire fence around the whole garden. And as you can tell, plants are doing really good. Need to get some water on them this evening. We've been watering them and putting Miracle-Gro on them, and they're doing really good. Shanna cut back all the onions over there to hopefully help with the bulbs grow better. We read something about that, so we gave that a try. Tomato plants are doing great. So now to the chicken coop and the chickens. There's the chickens that we bought off of Craigslist. I don't know, y'all tell us what you think. Are they looking better?
When you feel under them, they feel kind of crap, like they're cracked on their belly.
That's 3 of them. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they're all in here. So these are all of the Craigslist chickens right here. And
except
then
for the black
one, yeah, except for the black one, and then one behind Easton. When we got them, they were supposed to be molting. So I don't know. They look better than they did. That's all I'll say. We have yet to trap anything. I don't know what tried to get the chicken coop, but whatever it is not shown back up. A lot of people said to put a game camera out. I do have one. Have not had time to put it out yet. So, but nothing other than that trap right there. We've trapped at least every chicken we have in it once. So guys, one of the fun, exciting projects we have coming up here soon is some friends of ours raise show pigs. They always have cull pigs, and we've contemplated buying one. With everything that's going on, we have a little extra room. We're gonna go ahead and get one. I'm gonna take you back here. It's really windy, so hopefully you can hear me, but I'm taking you back here behind this shed right here. It's behind our little garden shed that we keep our four-wheeler and lawnmower and stuff in, but it's really shaded back there. It's going to be a pretty good sized pen, I think, according to a couple people I've talked to that are experts. The guy that we're buying the pig from and another friend of mine, they said this is plenty of room for them. They need to be shaded all the time, and they'll have plenty of shade. We're going to feed it out till probably fall, and then have it slaughtered. Let's go back around here and I'll show you what we're thinking. So back here behind the shed, right there. So all that area right there, we're gonna clean all that out. It's kind of just a junk area. We're gonna clean all that out, and we're gonna build the pen. So the pen's gonna go from this right here. It's gonna come all the way out to this post right here. So I'm guessing that's about, guessing that's about 8 foot by 20 feet probably. Alright, so I'm back here out of the wind. There we go. I'm guessing that's about, I haven't measured, it's about 8 feet by 20 feet, completely shaded. We're new to pig raising, so if you got any information you want to share, fire away, we'd love to hear it. So now for the most, especially for the kids, the most exciting thing that's happened here lately, we're going to show you. Easton's going to show you right now.
Everyone, exciting. So let me just go show y'all and tell y'all then what it is. We have been waiting for this since last year. And this thing that happened is it popped. So let me show you. A pool.
Boom!
We bought a
there
pool.
It is. That's a Coleman 22 feet by 52 inch pool. And our other one popped, so we had to buy this one, and it's perfect. And we shot some video of us swimming earlier, probably like an hour ago. And probably it's gonna be right here in 3, 2, 1. Guys, like I said, we got a lot going on around here. We just want to take a minute to kind of show y'all what a quick update of what's going on. I hope y'all like it. Please give us y'all's advice on what we're doing with the pig. We'd love to hear about it. Hopefully the next couple videos you see will be us. We got to get that cleared out and then get a pen built, and then hopefully one of the videos you see will be us getting the pig.
And everyone, make sure y'all subscribe if you haven't already. You are y'all. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification button so you never miss our live stream premiere or one of our update videos. So make sure you comment down below if you think the pigs are going to be in a good spot. So we'll see y'all next time on the 5M channel.
Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all again.